Hey David. So we're here at Brooks and Kelly's rehearsal dinner, and I just have to say that it's really not the same without you, and I really wish that you would just go ahead and move here already, okay? And I know that I made up that whole thing about you moving here, but I was just thinking that like if I started a rumor that you were moving here, then maybe it would build some hype and you would actually move here. Or maybe your boss would see the video and be like, you're moving to Austin, you didn't tell me, well you're fired. And then you'd like come here and be like, I got fired, but I don't want you to get fired. But the thing is, okay, so this is a really joyous occasion, right? Like it's a really happy time, right? And I'm genuinely happy, but at the same time, there's like this deep, okay, I wanted to say kernel, but it's not a kernel, okay? It's definitely not a kernel. It is like this pit, okay? This pit of this nut. No, it's not a pit, it's a walnut, okay? It's a walnut-sized thing in me. It's a hole, okay, David, in my heart. It's a hole, and I just really wish that you were here. And the only thing that can fill that hole, David, is you, okay? And I just stand here. I come here to parties and I just stand here in the corner and I drink 8 glasses of wine. And why do I drink 8 glasses of wine? Because I miss you so much. And I'm trying to fill in that hole that is the size of a walnut that can only be filled with your presence and your spirit. I don't think it's working though, David. This is a final plea, David. It's a final plea. Please, David. Move back to Austin, okay? Please?